Sir, so for axial lines coinciding, sir, it is mu naught by 4 pi into 6 m1 m2 by t to the power 4 and that.
That are the forces better. That will do after doing energy.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
ఎందుకంటే కాలేజ్లో they just taught us after the normal biaxial and this.
They need to do first. We need to do the energy better.
Okay, sir.
Chalo.
Yes, sir.
So torque on a bar magnet better. Magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field. This is a bar magnet. Pole strength of each one is given as of your m beta, and this is your m particulation. Now this is a north pole and this is a south pole. Okay.
Yes,
and
sir.
see, this one is making an angle theta with respect to the magnetic field beta. This is your theta, isn't it? This
Yes,
is the
sir.
this bar magnet of length 12 is making an angle theta your magnetic field. We know what is the magnetic field formula beta. Magnetic field formula is what beta? P bar is equals to force per your unit pole strength M. So
Yes,
from
sir.
this one we can write force will be equal to how much beta? Pole strength into magnetic field and right.
Yes, sir.
So on this bar magnet, on this part of north pole, the magnetic field will be equal to, there is one force of this one. This force is equals to your F1 is equals to pole strength of this one into magnetic field. And here there is one force in this direction. So this will be equal to your F2, that will be equal to your M into B. They are equal and opposite forces. See, F1 is how much for me? MB. F2
Yes,
is
sir.
also your MB.
MB.
So can I say that F1 is equals to your F2 beta? That is nothing but equal to your M into your B.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Then
but
what
they're
will be the
opposite
net force?
forces,
Can you tell
right,
me?
sir? So 0 will come, right, sir? Means
Yeah,
opposite forces.
F net will become how much for me? 0. Very
0.
good.
Yes,
F
sir.
net will become for me 0. That means when a bar magnet is being kept in uniform magnetic field, the net force acting on that one is 0.
0.
Theta is the angle between. So where will be the direction of magnetic moment beta? Magnetic moment will be from your south to
South to
north.
north. Yes,
So this
sir.
will be the magnetic moment M. So theta is the angle between your M and B. Can I tell like that beta?
Yes, sir.
So I can say that here theta is angle between. Theta is angle between magnetic moment and as well as of your magnetic field. Can I tell like that?
Magnetic. Yes, sir.
Now see this force into perpendicular. This is a 2L now beta. Can I resolve this 2L into components beta? This 2L if it is making an angle theta right now. So if I resolve this 2L into the components right now, can you tell me what will be the component right now? Here this one is theta. So this will become for me here 2L into your cos theta. This will become for me your 2L into your sin theta. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? From center to this distance will be equal to how much beta? L. From this center to this center distance will be equal to your L. So if I'm talking only the distance from this L beta, so this L will be making an angle theta with respect to this one. So that will be equal to how much for me? L cos theta and L sin theta. This is for the total bar magnet what I have taken right now. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
See, this force into the perpendicular distance will give me what beta torque from the center. See, I'll draw here right now. This center kada. ఈ సెంటర్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత నాన్న?
L, sir.
L. So if
Yes,
I drop here right now like this is a force and this is a perpendicular distance. This L
Yes.
is making an angle theta here. So this will become for me how much? L cos theta. And this will become for me how much? L sin theta.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. The same way this is also your L. This L is making an angle theta right now here. So this will become for me how much? L into cos theta. This L cos theta, this L cos theta, same direction kabatti 2L cos theta. And because of this one, this is a force into this is a perpendicular distance from the center. So this will be the perpendicular distance from the center. So this is L cos theta. This will become for me how much for me? L sin theta.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So force into perpendicular distance will constitute me the torque. Isn't it? Now how many
Yes,
torques
sir.
are acting? Can you tell me? This force into perpendicular distance.
Yes,
This
sir.
force into perpendicular
Perpendicular.
distance. So two forces are been acting on this one in this direction beta. So torque is acting in this one is right now for this one in this direction, and for this one it is in this direction. So both of them are, this one is in which direction beta? Clockwise direction.
Yes, sir. It's clockwise.
Both of them are in the clockwise direction. So the
Yes,
net torque acting on that one can be written as beta. So torque will be equal to tau will be equal to your tau 1 plus of your tau 2. Isn't it? So tau 1 plus of your tau 2. Both of them are in which direction beta? Clockwise direction. Both of them are in the clockwise direction. So I can write here tau net will be equal to your tau 1 plus of your tau 2. Torque is nothing but equal to force into your perpendicular distance. That means I can write here tau net will be equal to your tau 1 will be equal to force into your perpendicular distance of this one. That is nothing but of your r perpendicular plus this one is your F2 into your r perpendicular. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is that clear? See, I'll draw the free body diagram, we'll get a clarity. This is your center beta, this is your L and this is your L. Now forces చూడు ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను, ఈ ఎండ్ పైన ఒక ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ అవుతుందా, హియర్ F is equals
Yes,
to
sir.
your M into your B, and ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ అవుతుందా, so this will be equal to your F is equals to your M into B, isn't it? And this one is making angle theta with respect to your magnetic field. This is L kabatti, this is theta. So if I resolve this one into your theta, this is L, so this will become for me L cos theta here, and this will become for me L sin theta. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Now here also if I'm taking right now with respect to this one, this is making an angle theta, this is your L, so this will become for me your L cos theta, and the perpendicular distance of this one will become for me your L sin theta. Force into perpendicular distance, force into perpendicular distance about the point O. Antena? So this is theta, means this is also theta only na beta.
Yes, sir.
So if I shift this vector here, so this is also becoming for me L sin theta only na. These are parallel vectors. అవునా కదా, ఇది L sin theta అయితే
Yes,
ఇది కూడా
sir.
L sin
L sin
theta,
theta.
ఇది L cos
Yes,
theta అయితే
sir.
ఇది కూడా నీకు L cos
L
theta.
cos. Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt in that one? So this force into perpendicular distance will constitute me what beta, torque. అంతే కదా.
Yes, sir.
This is force and this is perpendicular distance. The angle between them is how much? 90. This is force and this is perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is how much for me? L sin theta.
Yes, sir.
So tau
Yes, sir.
net will be equal to your, I'm writing this one first. That is nothing but of your M into B into perpendicular distance is how much for me? Your L into your sin theta. Can I write like this?
Yes,
Plus
sir.
this one is nothing but of your MB into your, this one is nothing but equal to your again your L into your sin theta. Okay now? So
Yes,
this
sir.
will become for me tau net will be equal to, both of them are same, so can I add them? So that will become for me 2 into your M into your B into your L into your sin theta. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Now this can be written as of your M into your 2L into your B into sin theta. Can I write? M into 2L is
Yes,
what?
sir.
M into 2L
M,
is
sir.
what?
Capital M.
Capital M, magnetic moment. This is your B into your, this one is your sin theta. So net torque acting on a bar magnet kept in a magnetic field is tau is equals to your MB into sin theta. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the theta here? Theta is the angle between, theta is angle between what beta? Magnetic moment and your magnetic field.
Magnetic field.
So in which direction it is coming beta? It is in your clockwise direction. This is in your clockwise direction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Force into perpendicular distance is equals to how much for me? Tau is equals to your MB into your sin theta. This is a basic standard formula you need to remember for the competitive examination. So torque acting on this one is tau is equals to your MB into your sin theta. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Class पढ़ा class पढ़ा मम्मी करेंगे. Okay, so torque formula in the tau is equals to your MB into sin theta. Can I write this one in any other form beta? What is AB into sin theta represents beta in vectors? चलो नीचे पानी दो. What is A bar cross B bar beta? A bar cross B bar is equals to mod A into mod B into sin theta na?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now what I can write here right now, torque can be written as of your, tau can also be written as of your what? M bar cross of your B bar and right?
Yes, sir.
Cross product and chapkocha. So torque is a vector quantity. So tau is equals to your m bar cross b bar. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Class principally. Class. Is that clear? So what
Yes,
is
sir.
happening? In a bar magnet is being kept a uniform magnetic field. The torque acting on that one is given by the formula tau is equals to your mb into your sin theta. Now see, I'll tell you how to take the direction of your torque beta, how we are getting clockwise and anti-clockwise part of this. Direction of your torque. Okay. See here.
Yes, sir.
This is your force F1 and this is your force here F2 and here this is your force, say for example F3. This is center anukundam, some point O where we need to calculate the torque. Now what you do is from this torque draw a perpendicular. From this force you draw a perpendicular. From this force you draw a perpendicular. This is your 90, this is your 90 and this is your 90. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the force F1 now beta. So this distance will become R1. This distance is say R2. This distance is your R3. Okay. Now what you do is assume a lever arm principle here right now. Okay, lever arm draw just beta. So draw one lever like this. Now tell me, by holding this F1, in which direction can you rotate this force F1 beta? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? What direction can you rotate it?
Sir, it's gonna come clockwise only, right, sir?
Huh?
It's gonna come clockwise only, right, sir?
Yeah, so this is a point, Gada. So if you are having a tendency to move only in this one in this direction,
Yes, sir.
you need to rotate about point O, Gada. See, if you
Yes,
rotate
sir.
like this, you are going away from the point O.
Yes, sir.
We need about the point O, Kabati. You will be rotating this one in this direction.
Clockwise, right?
Clockwise direction. You also rotate this one in which direction? Clockwise direction. Now you rotate this one in which direction?
Clockwise only, sir.
Clockwise direction. Damainda?
Yes.
Here.
Sir, so direction of torque is always clockwise only.
No. Now see, if I take this one like this, now you tell me. If this is your point O,
Okay.
this is your force F1, and this is your force F2, and this is your force of your F3. Now tell me direction of your torques.
Yes,
What
sir.
will do
Now this
first?
is dominating.
From this
sir.
point, I'll draw a perpendicular. This is R1.
Yes,
From this
sir.
one, I'll draw a perpendicular. This is R2. From this one, if I draw a perpendicular, this one is your R3. Isn't it?
Yes.
Now this
Sir,
one
now
is
it
a
is
lever arm
dominating,
principle
sir.
like this. This is your lever arm principle like this. And this is your lever arm principle like this. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now this force is little bit like this, larger and like this is your
Okay,
F.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me in which directions will you be rotating this one? Think and tell me first. You need to rotate about your point O. You
Yes,
need to
sir.
rotate it
So-
about your point O. So you can rotate this one in this direction.
But these two will again come in this direction, sir. Anti-clockwise.
This will come in this direction.
Yes,
This
sir.
will be coming in this direction.
So this will overpower the F1.
Avuna kada? So is
Yes,
it
sir.
always clockwise?
No, sir. No, sir. It depends
Got
on
it
the
now?
situation.
So
Yes,
tau 1 will be equal to how much beta? F1 into perpendicular distance in which direction? Clockwise direction.
Yes.
Tau 2 will be equal to your F2 into R2 in which direction beta? Anti-clockwise direction.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? And tau
Yes.
3 will be equal to how much beta? Torque tau 3 will be equal to your F3 into your R3. That is also in your anti-clockwise direction.
Yes, sir.
Now for this one, you tell me the torque beta. For this one, tau 1 is equals to your force F1 into your R1. Which direction? Clockwise direction. Tau 2 is
All are-
equals to your F2 into R2. Clockwise direction. Tau 3 is
Yes.
equals to your F3 into your R3. Clockwise direction.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So direction will depend upon the point of force and in which direction you are rotating it. Okay, na? అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
టార్క్ డైరెక్షన్ అర్థమైంది కదా తీయడం. సో ఇక్కడ నీ క్లాక్ వైజ్
Yes, sir.
డైరెక్షన్ ఎలా రాశాను ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా? ఇది ఫోర్త్, ఇది పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్. యు ఆర్ రొటేటింగ్ అబౌట్ పాయింట్ O.
Yes,
That
sir.
means you are rotating like this.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Sir, so whenever
This force and this is a
so
perpendicular
that-
distance. Again you are rotating about point O. This is also in which direction? Clockwise direction.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir, automatic, sir. Sir, so
So
whenever,
clockwise direction, this
so
force about point O.
according to perpendicular,
Yeah. So this is a point O అనుకుందాం right now. Force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance. The EL యొక్క perpendicular distance. So it is moving in this direction, clockwise direction. This is also moving in the clockwise direction. అందుకోసం we are writing tau net is equals to tau 1 plus tau 2. One clockwise, one anti-clockwise అయితే ఏం రాస్తాం? Positive, negative రాస్తాం. Okay
yes,
na?
sir.
So if I
Yes,
take
sir.
this one as positive, you take this one as negative, and you take this one as negative. Or if you're taking anti-clockwise direction positive, you take clockwise direction as of your negative. That's it. Any one direction you take it as positive, and opposite direction you take it as of your negative.
Yes, sir.
Okay na? So what is the
Yes.
torque formula beta right now on a bar magnet? Tau is equals to your how much per your mb into your sin theta. Torque will be equal to your mb into sin theta. So mb into sin theta means it is m bar cross b bar. It is right now for me like cross product. It is like your cross product. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What is the theta? Theta is the angle between magnetic moment and as well as of your magnetic field. Okay na?
Yes,
So
sir.
tell me when the torque will become maximum minimum beta? That depends upon this sin theta kada. When theta value is maximum, what is the maximum value of sin theta? 1,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Sin theta
Yes,
value
sir.
is how much per meter? 1. Avuna kada?
Out,
Maximum
sir.
value of sin theta is 1. So torque will be maximum when sin theta is 1. When is the torque minimum beta? When the sin theta value is 0,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So I'll write that points right now here. You see, maximum torque. Maximum torque. Maximum torque. So when the torque will be maximum beta? So when sin theta value is maximum.
Yes,
Maximum
sir.
value of sin theta is how much for me? 1,
Once.
isn't it? So when
Yes.
it is 1 beta, when theta is equals to either 90 degrees, sin 90 is 1, sin 270 is also equal to, when theta is equal to 270, that is also equal to 1. Ona?
Yes, sir.
So tau max will become how much for me? Tau max will be equal to how much for me? M into your B, isn't it? That means maximum value of the sin
Yes,
theta
sir.
will be equal to 1 when the angle between the magnetic field and the magnetic moment is 90 degrees or 270 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You know, see, this is a magnetic field beta like this. This is your what? Magnetic field. This is magnetic field means what beta? B bar. Isn't it? So in this one, if I
Yes,
keep
sir.
a bar magnet like this, direction of the magnetic moment is from where? South to north. So
Yes,
magnetic
sir.
moment will be in this direction, M bar. Now angle between these two is how much better? 90 degrees or not? Una kada?
Yes, sir. It is 90 degrees,
So
sir.
tau max will become how much for me or MB. That means you should keep the bar magnet like this. Isn't it? Or else you can keep
Yes.
the bar magnet like this also. So this is this one. This is like this. This is your magnetic field. This is nothing but B bar. If I keep a bar magnet in this one, like say for example, this is a bar magnet. This is your south pole. This is your north pole. Direction of the magnetic moment is from your south to north. So this is your magnetic moment. So angle between them is how much per meter? 90 degrees. Okay,
Yes, sir. It is.
clear?
Yes, sir.
South to your north. South to your north. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah. So that is about the maximum torque. The next one, if I'm talking about your minimum torque,
Sin theta is equals to 0.
yeah. So minimum torque. That means the sin theta must be minimum.
Yes,
Minimum
sir.
value of your sin theta is how much? 0. When it is value to 0, when theta value takes 0 degrees, when theta is equals to 180 degrees, the sin theta value will be equal to 0. Ona kada? That means
Yes,
tau
sir.
minimum will become how much for me? 0. Tau minimum will become how much for me? 0. Tau minimum is equals to your 0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Either it's 0 degrees beta or theta. So what is the theta actually? Can you tell me? Like this is your,
It's
what is
the
the theta beta?
Sir, it's the angle between the south and north, the perpendicular forming magnetic field and
Theta is what? Angle between
magnetic dipole moment
magnetic
and the
moment
magnetic
and
field.
magnetic field. Like
Magnetic
see,
field.
this is
Yes,
your
sir.
magnetic field. This is the magnetic field. Now you need to keep a bar magnet such that angle between them is 90 degrees. When it will be 90 degrees,
Yes,
if
sir.
I make this bar magnet to sleep in this direction like this is south and this is north. Magnetic moment will be in this direction m bar. So angle between these two parallel vectors will become how much for me? 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Like this, even if this is a bar magnet like this is your magnetic field. This is your magnetic field. That is nothing but of your V bar. And if you are keeping the bar magnet like this, you are keeping the bar magnet like this, and this is the south pole and this is the north pole. Direction of the magnetic moment will be in this direction. So this is and this one. Theta between them is how much for me? 180 degrees.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Yes,
So
sir.
here magnetic moment is parallel to the magnetic field.
Yes,
Here
sir.
magnetic field is what do you
Opposite.
call that one? Anti-parallel to your.
Anti-parallel. Yes, sir.
One is your anti-parallel to your what? Magnetic moment. Is it clear?
Sir, but when it is parallel, how can it be 90 degrees, sir? If it should be, it must be
Zero
perpendicular
kada,
on the.
sorry, not 90 degrees. It is
Yes,
zero.
sir.
So it is
0.
zero. 90 degrees.
Okay, sir.
Because both of them are in same direction.
Same
Kada. This
direction.
is the
0.
vector
Yes,
B
sir.
bar and this is the vector M bar. Both
Yes,
of
sir.
them are your 0 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here
Okay,
already
sir.
I written complete
Yes, sir.
that.
After already you
Theta
wrote.
is 0 degrees and theta is equal to 180 degrees. The torque will become for me minimum. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope you got an idea how to do such type of your concept. So right now you got an idea what exactly is of your torque acting on a bar magnet. The torque acting on a bar magnet basic formula is tau is equals to your mb into your sine theta. Tau is equals to your mb into
MB
your
into
sine theta.
sin.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next side heading. Next side heading is potential energy. Potential energy of a bar magnet. Potential energy of a bar magnet, that is magnetic dipole. Magnetic dipole. Potential energy of a bar magnet or magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field. In a uniform magnetic field. In a uniform magnetic field. Okay. Let's see. First, I'll draw the diagram for you. So this is the uniform magnetic fields we need to draw. This is the uniform magnetic field like this. మన ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ కూడా రివైజ్ చేస్తుండు, నువ్వు అన్ని మర్చిపోతున్న ఫార్ములేస్ అన్న గో త్రూ చేస్తుండు. రోజు ఒక చాప్టర్ లేకపోతే వారానికి ఒక చాప్టర్ అయినా చేస్తుండు.
Okay, sir.
This is your bar magnet here. So this bar magnet is making an angle. This bar magnet is making an angle. Say for example, this angle is right now for me theta 1. Okay, na? This is the north pole of the bar magnet and this is the south pole of the bar magnet and this is your magnetic field. Okay, na? And this is a point
Yes,
of
sir.
your center. Okay, is that clear? Now I am rotating the bar magnet
Yes,
slowly
sir.
better. See how I am rotating this bar magnet. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to rotate this bar magnet right now from this position to a new position. That means I'm going right now from this position to a new position right now. ఇక్కడికో వచ్చాను.
Okay, sir.
Now when I have come to this position
Yes,
right
sir.
now, that means my angle will be equal to how much better? ఈ magnetic field నుంచి this angle will become how much for me? Theta 2. అంతే కదా? We are taking
Yes,
the
sir.
angle always from the magnetic field, isn't it? This is north pole and this one is south pole.
Yes, sir.
Direction of the magnetic field is from your south to north, isn't it? So initial position is your theta 1.
Yes,
Final
sir.
position is right now for me theta 2. That means we are rotating the bar magnet from your initial position to the final position. So work done in this one can be calculated to rotate in the magnetic field must be equal to change in potential energy. Change in potential energy means what? U final minus of your U initial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
in rotational mechanics, in rotational mechanics, we know that work done to rotate a body by small angle theta is. How do you calculate the work done, beta? Work done will be equal to your torque into d theta. In work power energy, work done is force into displacement, na?
Yes,
Work
sir.
power energy, how do you calculate the work? Work done is equal to force into displacement. When it is in rotation, force role is being played by the torque, displacement role is being played by your theta. So for angular motion or rotational mechanics or rotational motion, work done will be equal to how much, beta? Tau into your d theta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are rotating from which angle to which angle, beta? Theta 1 to theta 2. So total work done will be equal to, how to write it? Integral of your dw from theta 1 to your theta 2. So that is equals to integral tau into your d theta. So this will be from theta 1 to your theta 2. Okay, now? So W
Yes, sir.
will be equal to your integral. Tau value is how much we got right now, beta? What is the torque formula? Tau is equals to integral of your MB into your sin theta, na? Into your d theta. So this is your theta 1 to your theta 2. We just
Yes,
now
sir.
calculated the value of torque. Torque is equal to how much for me? MB into sin theta. So this W
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to your M into B is a constant. Integral of your sin theta into your d theta. Limits are from theta 1 to your theta 2. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now integral of sin theta is how much? You need to tell me now this. W is equals to your M into B. Integral of sin theta into d theta will be equal to how much? Minus of cos theta.
Yes, sir.
Limit will be from theta 1 to your theta 2.
Theta 2.
So that will be equal to minus of your M into your B into your, this will be upper limit minus lower limit cos theta 2 minus of your cos theta 1. Here,
Yes, sir.
so with your minus sign when I am writing the work done, so work done is equals to minus of your MB into your cos theta 2 minus of your cos
Cos
theta
theta
1.
1.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this work done is equal to what, beta? Change in potential energy only, no? So change in potential energy is equals to minus of your MB into your, this one is your cos theta 2 minus of your cos theta 1.
Yes, sir.
How do you write this work potential energy, beta? U final means theta 2 minus of your U is theta 1 will be equal to your minus of your MB into your, this will become for me cos theta 2 minus of your cos theta 1.
Yes, sir.
The final position is theta 2. Initial position is your theta 1. So in terms of your potential energy, if I'm writing, potential energy in the two angles will be equal to how much, beta? MB into your cos theta 2 minus of your MB into your cos theta 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see, if I'm taking right now, theta 1, if it is say for example 90 degrees, theta 1 is equals to right now say for example 90 degrees. What will be the potential energy at 90 degrees, beta? Cos 90 will be
0, sir.
0.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
potential energy will become 0 at what position, beta?
At 90 degrees, sir.
At 90 degrees. And U1 will become for me 0.
Yes, sir.
So can I say that at theta 1, U theta 1 is becoming how much for me? 0 na leda?
Yes, sir. 0, sir.
Isn't it? So
Yes.
that is the condition you need to remember. Is it clear? So U
Yes, sir.
theta 2 minus U theta 1 is equal to minus of your MB into your cos theta 1. And potential energy at 90 degrees will become how much for me? 0, because magnetic field is perpendicular to the magnetic moment is perpendicular to the magnetic
Magnetic
field.
field. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Theta
Sir,
1 is
just
90 degrees. That is U theta 2 minus U at your 90 degrees is equals to minus of your MB into, this one is your cos theta 2 minus of your cos 90 degrees. This will become for me how much? U theta 2 will be equal to minus of your MB into your cos theta 2. Can I write like this?
yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Because of cos 90 is
So it
0.
is minus of your MB into your cos theta 2. Cos theta 2
Yes,
means
sir.
what beta? So can I write that potential energy at some angle theta will be equal to how much? Minus of your MB into your cos theta and raskona general ga.
Yes, sir.
So potential energy at a certain angle theta will be equal to how much? Minus of your MB into your cos theta. So as it is a cos theta, so you know the theta is the angle between magnetic field and magnetic moment beta. So
Yes,
this
sir.
will be the magnetic field. This is your B bar. And this will be your magnetic moment. That is nothing but of your M bar. So this will be the angle between them. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So theta means what beta? You know that A bar dot your B bar is equals to mod A into your mod
Mod
B
B.
into your cos theta.
Cos
Na?
theta. Yes, sir.
So I can write here M bar dot your B bar will be equal to mod M into your mod B into cos theta and raskocha.
Yes, sir.
So can I write your potential energy at a certain angle theta will be equal to your, this can be written as of your minus of your M bar dot your B bar, can I write?
Yes, sir.
So potential energy at a certain angle will be equal to how much for me beta? Minus of your M bar dot B
M
bar.
bar
Is
dot
that
B bar.
clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So when it will be maxima and when it will be minima beta, can you tell me? When is the
Sir, it
potential
means.
energy maximum? When cos theta value is maxima,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Which
If
is.
mod
Yes,
of
sir.
your cos theta is equals to 1, when it is that possible? When theta is equals to 0 degrees
To 0
or when
degrees.
theta is equals to 180
180
degrees.
degrees.
Cos 0 is 1,
Yes,
cos
sir.
180 is also 1. So potential
Yes,
energy
sir.
will become for me how much? Maximum.
Yes, sir.
Potential energy will become for me maximum. That will be equal to how much for me beta? M dot your B, that is your M into B minus of your M into your B. Clear?
Yes, sir.
When it will be minimum beta? When theta is 90 degrees.
90 degrees. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope you got an idea how to calculate this one,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So what are the formulas you got right now, beta? Torque formula is tau is equal to M into B sin theta. It is like A bar cross B bar. So tau is equal to M bar cross of your B bar. And you got an idea how to write the directions of the torque. Then I calculated the maximum torque and minimum torque. Torque is maximum when sin theta value is maxima, and torque is minimum when sin theta value is minima or your zero. The next one is work done in rotating a bar magnet. So potential energy of a bar magnet in a uniform magnetic field. When a bar magnet is rotated in a uniform magnetic field, the work done in rotating is calculated by formula W is equals to minus of your MB into cos theta 2 minus of your cos theta 1, which is really very important for your competitive examinations part.
Okay, sir.
So W is equals to your minus of your M. If I remove this minus sign, this will become for me cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. So don't get confused with that one. ఇక్కడ మైనస్
Okay,
సైన్
sir.
తీసేసాను అనుకోండి, this will become for me how much? Cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2.
Cos theta.
Potential energy formula will be equal to how much beta? U will be equal to your U theta 2 minus of U theta 1 is equal to minus of your MB into cos theta 1, cos theta 2 minus of your cos theta 1. Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
general formula is equal to how much for me? U is equal to minus of your MB, or in dot product if I am writing, U is equal to minus of your M bar dot B bar. Theta is the angle between magnetic field and magnetic moment. Theta will be maximum when beta? When theta value is equals to 0 degrees or 180 degrees, or cos theta value is your maxima. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll just come in 1 minute, sir.
Yes, beta. No problem.
Yes, sir. Actually, I had some cough, sir.
Okay. Now come to next one, better equilibrium. Equilibrium, see, when theta is 90 degrees, what is the theta? Angle between magnetic field and magnetic moment.
Magnet.
So I have drawn a magnetic field like this, and I kept a bar magnet in that one. And magnetic moment is from south to north. So see, M bar and B bar are both of them are parallel.
Yes,
So
sir.
theta will become how much for me, beta? 0 degrees. Theta should be equal to your 0 degrees, not 90.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when theta is equals to your 0 degrees right now for me, so F net will be equal to how much for me? 0. Because the force are equal and opposite.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So net force will become how much for me? 0. Torque will be equal to how much for me? Tau is equal to mb into sin theta formula. Theta value 0 is
Sin
sin
0
0
is
is nothing but 0. So torque
0,
will
sir.
become how much for me? 0.
0.
When
Yes,
net
sir.
force is 0 and torque is also 0, this type of an equilibrium is called as of your stable equilibrium. What type of an equilibrium? It is called as
Stable
of your
equilibrium.
stable equilibrium. Then what will be the potential energy formula? U is equal to minus of mb into cos theta. Na?
Yes,
Theta is 0. Cos 0 is how much?
90, sir.
Huh?
Sorry,
Cos
cos
0,
0 is,
1.
sir, 1. Yes, sir. Sorry.
1. So that will be equal to your m into b. So u will become for me minus of your m into your b. That means this will become for me what? Minimum, because minus gada. So this will become for me minimum. Potential energy will
Yes,
become
sir.
minimum in the stable equilibrium. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now if I take theta is equal to 180 degrees, let's imagine what happens. If I'm theta is equals to your 180 degrees. Like say this is your bar magnet like this. This is your magnetic field I'm taking. And this one is say for example of your B bar. Now keeping a bar magnet in this one in such a way that this is your south pole and this is your north pole.
Yes,
Magnetic
sir.
moment is in this direction M bar and
Sir,
magnetic
only
field
the
is in this
direction
direction.
will change, right, sir? Here?
Yeah. Now see here, direction of your force will be, this north pole will be exerting the force towards the magnetic field. So because of this north pole, the force will be equal to your M into B in this direction.
Yes,
And
sir.
because of this one also M into B in this direction. So M into B in the opposite
Opposite,
direction.
yes, sir.
So this one will be your MB, and because of this one, it will be your M into B in the opposite direction. So F net is becoming how much beta here? F net is becoming for me 0. And torque will become how much for me beta? MB into your sine 180. Sine
180.
180 is how much for me?
0, sir.
0,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Sine 180 is equal to how much for me? 0.
0, sir.
0 nena?
Yes, sir. 0, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
If I'm taking these values right now, this one, what will be the equilibrium? Can you tell me right now? F net is becoming for me 0.
It's
Isn't
becoming,
it? And torque
yes,
is
sir.
also becoming for me 0.
Stable, sir. It's a stable equilibrium, right?
Hmm.
Stable
Potential energy will
equilibrium.
become how much at a time? U
Sir,
is
it'll
equals to
become,
how much for me? Minus of your MB into cos of your 180.
yes, sir.
Cos 180 is how much?
Minus 1, sir.
Minus 1. Minus minus will become for me plus.
Plus,
It
yes,
will
sir.
become for me plus of your MB. That
Yes,
means
sir.
potential energy will become for me maxima. That will be equal to your plus of your EM into your B. Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, so ఇది కూడా stable equilibrium only, right, sir? Because
Yes, stable
F net
equilibrium.
and
Good, sir. Force will be equal to from where beta south to north. So
yes,
opposite
sir.
to your magnetic field, and this will be your north in the direction. So these two are equal, and they are in the opposite direction right now. For but potential energy is becoming maximum. No?
Yes, sir. అంటే
So
you
when
said right,
potential
sir.
energy
F
is
net.
becoming maximum, this will become for your unstable equilibrium.
Okay. Means you said right, sir. F net
Yeah,
and
F
torque
net
are
0,
0
torque
means
net
then
0
stable.
I. Potential energy minus वस्ते that will be your stable equilibrium.
Stable. Okay, sir.
If your F net is 0,
But
torque is 0, potential energy is becoming maximum, that will become for me your unstable
unstable,
equilibrium.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Got. Yes, sir.
So this was about your something related to your bar magnetism part. Now we need to do the numericals on this one, beta. And tomorrow what I'll do is I'll exclusively keep a class for your only the numericals based on all these topics. So make a summary of all
Okay,
the
sir.
formulas on a paper and try to learn all the formulas related to this one, especially work done, vagera, all these things. I'll try to help you out in the tomorrow session of your class. Okay, na? Shall we do one example
Okay,
based
sir.
on this one,
Yes,
beta?
sir.
Okay, example just so we'll get
Okay,
a
sir.
clarity on this one. See this question. Listen the question carefully. Calculate the work done. Calculate the work done in rotating a magnet. Rotating a magnet of magnetic moment 3.0 joule Tesla inverse. Okay, through an angle theta is equals to 60 degrees from its position. Okay,
Yes.
along a magnetic field of strength 0.34 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Tesla. Read the question carefully.
Sir, so here we
What?
should do 3 into 0.34 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into sine 60, right, sir?
Yeah, sine 60. M
Yes,
is
sir.
given how much for me, beta? 3
Yes,
joule
yes, sir.
Tesla inverse.
Yes, sir.
Theta value is given for me how much? 60 degrees.
Yes,
Magnetic field is given as 0.34 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Tesla.
yes,
So it's
sir.
asking us to calculate work done. Work done is nothing but change in potential energy. That means final energy minus of initial energy,
Initial energy.
isn't it? So
Yes,
from which
sir.
position we are going? Find the work done in rotating a magnet of magnetic moment 3 through an angle of 60 degrees from the position along the magnetic field. That means this is your magnetic field P bar. Bar magnet is also in the same direction. This is your south pole and north pole. So this is also your bar magnet. That means theta 1 is how much? 0 degrees.
Yes,
And
sir.
theta 2 is how much? 60
60
degrees.
degrees.
Isn't it? So work done will be equal to how much formula, beta? Delta U. So delta U will be equal to your energy at your theta 2 minus energy at theta 1. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
That means work done will be equal to your, this will be equal to your potential energy 60 degrees minus potential energy at your 0 degrees. So that will be equal to your minus of your MB into your cos of your 60 minus this one will be equal to minus of your MB into your cos of your 0.
0,
So this
sir.
is your MB into your cos of your 0 degrees.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will become how much for me, beta? Minus of your MB cos 60 is how much?
Root
1
3
by
by 2,
2
sir.
minus
1
minus
by
this
2,
will
yes.
become for me plus cos 0 is nothing but 1. So this will
1
become for me MB.
MB.
So this will become how much for me, beta? Minus MB M by 1 by 2 plus 1. That will become for me how much? MB by 2. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Minus
Yes,
half
sir.
plus 1 is nothing but plus half.
Yes, sir.
So this is your work done form. W is equals to your MB divided by your 2. Everything is given now in the problem. So
Yes.
magnetic moment is given how much for me, beta? 3. Magnetic field is given as
0.
0.34 into
Into
10
10
to
to the
the
power
power
of
of minus
minus
4
4.
divided by your 2.
Yes,
So
sir.
this will be equal to how much? 3 into 0.34 ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు? 3 4s are 12. So this one is nothing but 2. So 3 3s are 9. The 1 will be remain. So that will be equal to your 0. This one is point. 3 3s are 9. That will become for me 1. That means this will become for me 1.02 divided by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. అంతేనా? 3 into
Yes, sir.
0.34. 3 4s are 12. So this is 2 and this is 1. 3 3s are 9. That will be 10. 0 1. 3 3s are 9 point కాబట్టి 9 10. That means that will become 1.02. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir. 1.02.
That means divided by 2 అంటే this will become how much for me? 0.51
5. Yes.
into 10 to the power of minus 4.
Minus 4.
So approximately I can write this one as 5.1 into 10 to the power of minus 5 joules.
5.
So this will be your work done. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What an idea,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Now what you do is today you open your college material and try to do the solved examples. There are still lot applications beta, but I don't know why they started with magnetism, because it also requires the concept of lot of electrostatics and potential concepts वगैरह, because that
Okay.
all only will give you a much clear concept related to the magnetism in the bar magnetism model. Anyhow, still we have
Okay.
done everything. So today's class notes is about your torque. So go through the torque basically. And today itself from your college material, read the concept of your torque and as well as axial magnetic field. And first try to complete all the solved examples related to that one at any cost.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
That was the okay.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we'll try to go for the numericals better. I'll send you today the assignment sheet. So tomorrow we'll try to discuss the assignment on this complete chapter. For 2
Okay.
days we'll try to keep the solving only, and we also make the classes on Sundays better because syllabus will be larger. We need to complete the syllabus. So Sunday also you take out some time for the revision so that we can do the numericals related to this one into the previous years of your questions related to your magnetism particle list. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Sunday కూడా ఏదైనా ఒక టైం తీసుకొని కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసి we will try to clarify even with that time. Okay,
Okay, sir.
take care, beta. Bye.
Good night, sir. Bye, sir.
Good night.